Good day, AB Amazing. We are here to give you a quick presentation regarding the lesson, which is the ribbon in Microsoft PowerPoint 2019, presented by Natalie R. Perez, Rean M. Manuba, Aralogi Sirius Ra, Kachana L. Endo, Dimple L. Calusin, and Francine May Padua.
But before we proceed to the topic, let us first have a brief introduction about Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation program that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. These presentations can include animation, narration, images, videos, and much more. If you're going to report in front of the class, you could make a PowerPoint presentation. If you're working in a company and you want to make a business proposal, you could use this software application as well. But why should we use PowerPoint? PowerPoint improves the teaching and learning experience for both staff and students when it is used properly. It also encourages and supports employees by making it easier for them to structure a presentation in a professional manner. PowerPoint is a very simple method that you can master in a week if you put in time and effort. However, mastering the art of giving outstanding presentations will take some time and a lot of practice. As the people always say, practice makes perfect. Don't you agree? In this lesson, you'll learn your way around the PowerPoint environment, including the ribbon. But what is the ribbon? It's not a piece of fabric or the thing that you cut in a certain ceremony. No, the ribbon is the long strip comprising tabs with buttons across the top of the main window within the PowerPoint interface. The ribbon contains almost all the command you need to warm with your slides and is designed in a way that helps you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. The use of ribbon in Microsoft PowerPoint improves the discoverability of features and functions, allows for faster understanding of the software as a whole, and gives users a greater sense of control over their experience in the program.
From the ribbon, you'll access everything that the program has to offer. You no longer have to hunt endlessly through menus and submenus to find the commands you want. They are grouped and located in logical process. So as you can see from the highlighted picture, through the use of ribbon, you can access everything that the Microsoft PowerPoint offers, where you are the one to choose what text, designs, pictures, and etc. that you are going to add to your presentation. The three basic components of the ribbon are tabs, groups, and commands. The ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. So dito naman po, you can choose the tabs that you want that corresponds to groups and commands. The ribbon contains text tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, and View. Each tab contains set of tools to create and edit slides. To view additional commands of a group, click the arrow at the right bottom corner of the group. In this part, you can choose the tabs that you need, whether Home, Insert, Transition, and etc. For example, you chooses the Insert tab, makikita po dito yung mga groups which is the Pages, Table, Illustration, and etc. with different commands option.
The Home tab. The Home tab contains and gives you the most frequently used commands in Word, which is clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. It is used to perform many of the common tasks such as changing fonts, cutting, pasting text and images into documents, applying styles, and editing text. The Editing tab. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra features in your document. The Insert tab contains group, which is the slides, table, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comments, text, symbols, and media. It also allows you to add something to a slide. Elements that can be inserted into a presentation include images, shape, charts, text boxes, videos, and links. The Design tab. The Design tab is used to apply different styles to a table. It is also used to draw a table and to apply other attributes. The groups within the Design tabs are Themes, Variants, and Customize. Design tab includes table formatting, cell and table borders, arranging the table on the page, and the size of the table. In addition, it is home to the themes and color schemes.
The groups within the Transitions tab are Preview, Transition to the slide, Images, and Timing. The Transitions tab handles how your slides move from one to the other and includes settings from individual transitions. Slide transitions add to the professional appearance of the slideshows and draw attention to specific important slides. The groups within the Animations tab are Preview Animation, Advanced Animation, and Timing. Sample the many animations on the Animations tab that you can apply to objects on your slides. You can use animation to focus on important points to control the flow of information and increase viewer interest in your presentation. The groups within the Slideshow tab are Start Slideshow, Table, Setup, and Monitors. Use the Slideshow tab to set up how you want to show your presentation to your audience.
The groups within the Review tab are Proofing, Accessibility, Language, Comments, Compare, Ink, and OneNote. You can use the Review tab to add comments and run a spell check. Under the Proofing group, you can use and find the spelling and grammar feature. You can easily check the spellings, punctuation error, and grammar using this tool. If you are collaborating on a document with other team members or on a group or on a project report, the comments feature in the review tab in Microsoft Word 2019 can be a true lifesaver. This helps to keep all the comments organized from different authors.
The groups within the View tab are Presentation Views, Master Views, Show, Zoom, Color or Grayscale, Window, and Macros. The View tab shows your presentation in different ways. Choose a different view depending on where you are in the process of creating or giving the presentation. The View tab also enables you to switch between normal or master page and single page or two-page spread views. This tab also gives you control over showing boundaries, guides, rulers, and other layout tools, zooming the size of your view of the publication, and managing publisher windows you have opened. The ribbon is designed to respond to your current task, but you can choose to minimize it if you find that it takes up too much screen space. Click the Ribbon Display Options arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon to display the drop-down menu.
Auto Hide Ribbon. Auto Hide displays your workbook in full screen mode and completely hides the ribbon. To show the ribbon, click the Expand Ribbon command at the top of screen. Show tabs. This option hides all command groups when they are not in use, but the tabs will remain visible. To show the ribbon, simply click a tab. Show tabs and commands. This option maximizes the ribbon. All of the tabs and commands will be visible. This option is selected by default when you open PowerPoint for the first time.
Okay, so we're done to our presentation. I hope you gained knowledge about this lesson. And if you have any questions, you can ask us freely. Thank you for listening.